Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. Welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on living with less and also decluttering. So do you ever feel stuck because everything that you touch has a memory attached to it? This week in my 5 in 5 series, I'm going to tackle one of the hardest parts of decluttering, and that's letting go of sentimental items. So these items, they hold our history, but they also hold us hostage. The goal isn't to get rid of the memories, it's to free the space around them and inside of us so we can live lighter and happier now. So over the next 5 days, I'm sharing 5 real challenges and 5 quick wins that you can do in just minutes. You'll see progress, you'll feel momentum, and you'll discover letting go is possible, one small step at a time. So my day one, and that's the memory versus the item. So do you ever hold something in your hands and whisper, I just can't let go of this because it reminds me of, a particular vacation, a particular person, someone that you've loved? We all do that because sentimental items connect us to the people and the moments that shape us. But here's the truth. You're not throwing away the memory, you're actually freeing it. So when you take a picture of that special item and write one sentence or two why it meant so much to you, you've preserved the essence of the memory, but not the clutter. So today, pick just one item, take a photo of it, say thank you, and then let it go. And remember, the memory lives in you, it's not in the thing. The next day is called the guilt trap. So do you ever feel guilty even thinking about giving away a gift that someone has given you? If you do, you're not alone. We've been raised to believe that letting go means disrespect, but love isn't measured in those things. The gift already served its purpose. It made you feel loved, and it fulfilled its role. So choose one item today that you've been keeping out of guilt. Donate it and let it bless someone else who truly needs it and maybe wants it. So remember, you can let go with gratitude and still honor the person who gave it to you. Day 3 is the someday box. We all have that one box we promised to go through someday. That one, it's heavy, it's dusty, and it's full of good intentions. It's probably sitting in your basement or your attic. So here's the thing. Someday isn't a date on the calendar. Waiting for that perfect time just keeps you stuck. So try this. Just set a 15-minute timer today. Open one of those boxes. Sort through just 10 things. That's it. You'll be amazed at how quickly the momentum replaces the dread because you've broken that mold. And remember, action shrinks anxiety. It's basically one box at a time. Day 4, the emotional weight of paper. So those old letters, the old love letters, the birthday cards, the kids' artwork, they all carry so much love and sometimes so much weight. You don't have to keep every single piece to keep the story. Keep 5 of those things that really touch your heart, photograph or scan the others, and create a simple digital love file. So choose 5 of your favorites, tuck them into a special folder where you can visit them anytime you want. So remember, you're curating your memories, you're not erasing them. And the next thing is, the day 5 is the next chapter mindset. So what's the hardest part of letting go? It isn't just the stuff, it's actually believing there's still more ahead of you. So you've spent decades gathering memories, roles, responsibilities, but this next chapter isn't about what you've lost, it's about what's waiting for you, what is next. So the action step here is to clear one small shelf, one drawer, one corner today, and leave it empty. And that's your next chapter space, a space for what's coming next. So remember, letting go isn't the end of your story, it's actually the beginning. So I hope that these have helped, and if you do want more information about living a simpler life, you may want to check out my newest workbook. It's called Letting Go Workbook. It has 10 decluttering methods that are proven to work, plus it has 3 different bonuses. You can check it out in my link below. Take care.